Well, I chose to come here because I've always been interested in cars, and actually learning and how to put them together and the real nitty-gritty of it is something I was lacking. So I came here and this was the best program that I could find around.
What I enjoyed most was the hands-on learning, the instructor to student time back and forth.
We're really proud of this facility and the programs. The equipment that we've got here is state-of-the-art. Students are getting real-world experiences.
Always being in a lab, always working on cars. Even when there was classroom time, it was enjoyable to be taught by the same instructor.
There's more training done by virtue of hands-on assignments and learning through doing, which we feel is important when you're working in technical trades, because that's what it's about.
We do hands-on stuff every single day from day one. The instructors are always there to help you out, get you unstuck from what you get yourself into.
A great benefit about the automotive program are the teachers. We all come into the program with questions, and the more you can learn hands-on from them, the more knowledge you gain later on.
Need in these areas, in all four of these areas, is unbelievable. Weekly, our phones are ringing from recruiters trying to secure more personnel to work in all of these different trade areas. We're running live, hands-on type programs in all of these areas. We know the demand is high, it's going to continue to be high. These jobs are going to increase in pay as a result of the shortage of workers that are out there.
We have a standard that we have to go by when repairing a vehicle. The students that do graduate, you can definitely tell they have the skills needed.
I wouldn't be able to do much of this without going through the program at Southeast.
Doing a 2-year program will give you the skill set needed to start your career, jumpstart and get things moving. And the person that doesn't go to school doesn't have the ability to repair the cars, doesn't have the knowledge, and they're ultimately years behind in the person that did do the 2-year program. But it is very important that you do attend some type of training.